Dave Staublin here, doing some good math. Let's simplify using order of operations. And a quick review here. Whenever you have an expression like this one with lots of different operations, you want to do things in order of the following. You always want to do grouping symbols first. We often call them parentheses, but they're really grouping symbols because you can have brackets, you can have fancy brackets. These things are not parentheses, they're grouping symbols. So parentheses are a type of grouping symbols. And what happens, you always want to start on the inside and work to the outside. So once you've done all the grouping symbols, then you want to do exponents. And after you've done exponents, you want to multiply and divide. And if you have multiple multiplications and divisions, you want to work left to right. And after you've done all the multiplications and divisions, you want to add and subtract. And again, if you have multiple additions and subtractions in a row, you want to work left to right. All right, so for example, let's do these two problems. So the first thing we want to look at on this one is the grouping symbols, and we want to work inside to outside. So this is the inside, we're going to do that first. So we could rewrite this expression as 48. Then we're going to do the next set of grouping symbols. That's 50. Now, there's no symbol here, but whenever you have a number next to a grouping symbol, it implies multiplication. So we have a multiplication and addition. We do this first. So half times 50 is 25. And then lastly, we do the subtraction. So that's how that works. Okay, one more example. So we have grouping symbols. We want to do that first. 4 plus 8 is 12. Now, what do we do with this? Well, we've got a division and a multiplication, and so what we want to do is work left to right. So on the left is this one first. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then we can do this last multiplication, and we get that answer. Okay, here's some practice problems, and I'll have an answer key on the way soon.